when we see the trends in India and even worldwide reveal a sharp rise in cancer cases in India and of course worldwide as well. How is the industry preparing to face the challenge head on, and where do we stand now with AI already in use? Because you being a co-founder to a health tech company, so Deepak, could you please share your viewpoint on it?
Yeah, I think the first and foremost thing is for the healthcare providers to use AI. So I would like to start with the question: how many people in this room use some sort of AI in their day-to-day job? ChatGPT, Gemini is of the word. I think the first job would be to have this hand raises much more. I was speaking at a college just before. Absolutely, almost 100 people out of 100% of the people had their hands raised. So that's what's happening at the college. And when I asked the second question, that how many people pay for ChatGPT today or Gemini or paid version of AI, that number was 60, 70. Probably this room would be not even 5%. So I think the first and foremost is to have the trust on technology. The technology is based on large data sets, which means the intelligence of the computer. So today, for example, when we build AI, we have 2,000 hours of conversation in multi-languages, which helps us translate in ambient mode a conversation between doctor and the patient. So I think that's the one thing. On the AI thing, I was also I was in a conversation with a large company called Google. Their deep mind, which is on a radiology, can figure out more breast cancer compared to a radiologist on a real-time word. And as a gentleman sitting next to me said, there is a massive pressure on radiologists itself. Solutions like this. So we were discussing, and in fact, today morning, right, how can oral cancer be detected from the back of the camera? The early stages, right? The one thing, even in the last conversation when we were having the guest on the stage, the most critical thing in cancer is early detection and documentation, right? The two things they mentioned. Yeah. I think both the areas AI is present already and getting far better day by day. So its adoption of this AI will we make, an Indian AI model which will work for a large population across the country, will save a lot of time and a lot of money.